Greetings to all tech visionaries. Join us on Mega Technology as we journey through heavy machinery, modern inventions, and the exciting frontiers of modern technologies. Sany Global has created the SCE 800TB, all-electric telescopic boom crawler crane with a lifting capacity of 80 tons. It was based on the company's previous version of the crane, with Danfoss technology in the electric version, which is now available through a series order for export to the European market. The benefits include reduced noise for crane operators on job sites. This model features an all-electric system with permanent magnet synchronous motor technology and an inverter supplied by Danfoss Power Solutions with a D1P hydraulic pump. The new crane boasts high performance and high reliability. The technique adapts perfectly to a dirty construction site and is an efficient end to all types of lifting work. You see the green cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader, the brainchild of the Belgian company Bimod. The machine is equipped with a Scania V8 engine rated at 450 horsepower, but production machines will be converted to a 13.5-liter Deere engine, which can develop 400 to 600 horses. The spreader here is standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. At the same time, it combines the characteristics that form the basis of the machine's concept: durability, ease of use, and maintenance. Spreading widths generally range from 7 to 16 meters, depending on the product being spread. To achieve this result, the vertical shafts rotate at a speed of 423 revolutions per minute and spread the product with their teeth made of HB 400 steel. At their base, there are two blades that act as hammers in addition to spreading. The Sennebagen Model 870M is the latest machine, which is particularly impressive with its extensive range of 78 feet and its robust and reliable construction. Its flexibility is a particular advantage, especially when the task is to approach different berths or unload large vessels piecemeal. The powerful 300-kilowatt Dutz diesel engine provides the necessary power reserve and is designed for easy maintenance. The rear and side view camera system with 7 monitors for optimum all-round visibility is a valuable plus for safety and comes as standard. In addition, the machine has special loading and unloading equipment together with a curved banana boom and a long grapple boom, making this model an ideal machine for unloading ships. The technique is also used for loading on road and rail transport. The Panther T14R rotary dump truck offers the highest speed combined with high payload in its class and sets new standards for productivity and mobility. Introducing a patented innovation called directional reset, which essentially allows the operator to reset the upper and lower vehicle alignment, front and back, with the simple push of a button. The Prenoth rotary hauler provides continuous rotation of the top of the machine. With a payload capacity of 29,100 pounds, this carrier has the largest payload of any vehicle of this type in its category. The rotating separation of this vehicle allows the operator to work in tight, sensitive areas where other equipment does not have access. Maiden is today a world leader in the development of energy-efficient material handling machines and has been since 2006. For the Maiden 300, the new generation hybrid lift energy recovery system has been developed and patented. This board handler has definitely broken all previous world records with its capabilities and dimensions. This hydraulic monster can lift a fully loaded 40-foot sea container weighing almost 31 tons and move it with its huge arm up to 157 feet in one fell swoop without moving. The machine was developed specifically for loading and unloading from Panamax-class ships. The LR 1500 crawler crane is a simple, powerful, and compact unit for any construction site. Thanks to the main lifting mechanism, it is possible to move the crane with a lifted load up to a maximum lifting capacity of 500 tons. At the same time, the dimensions of this cool machine are quite compact, like a 400-ton crane. All parts weigh up to 45 tons and are no more than 9.8 feet wide, which means there are no limitations to transporting this crawler monster around the world, thanks to the matching counterweight cart, It can move right along with the load on the hook without any problems. Another big plus is the quickly installed center ballast made of several concrete elements. The upper part forms a secure platform for the counterweight cart. It looks like an ordinary man truck, but its panoramic glazed cab can not only turn 300 degrees, but even rise to a height of about 3.2 feet. Why did they make such an unusual design? Fahrzeugbaus Logo Series vehicles are designed for collecting, loading, and transporting wood. Such a raised rotating cab allows the operator to stay in the cab even during loading and unloading operations. In this video, you can see the unusual DAL logo 12K logging truck in action. The idea seems simply ingenious because it significantly increases the driver's comfort. The Bacchus A38 represents the culmination of innovative developments in the field of ecological engineering, being an advanced extension of the Bacchus A36. This triangular windrow tedder is particularly effective in areas requiring maximum precision and productivity, such as composting green waste or remediating contaminated land. The machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art Cummins engine compliant with the Tier 5 emissions standard, ensuring environmentally friendly operation even in the most demanding conditions. With a track drive available in 3 variations, including rubber and steel tracks, the Bacchus A38 adapts to different types of surfaces, offering optimal traction and durability depending on the configuration chosen. You see the Alcon's EC6000 series combination machine. This oversized unit is a bucket chain trimmer and pivot liner combined into one machine, with the ability to excavate and pave asphalt at the same time. It can be used to perform precise and high-volume channel lining to reduce concrete loss as well as continuous lining of canal and river beds. This mobile working platform with diesel-electric generator for decentralized power supply is more precise than standard excavators. Want to know how to cut I-beam steel and pipe efficiently? The CAT S3070 shears are ideal for hydraulic excavators weighing 30 to 45 tons. With a 7-ton weight capacity, 40-inch jaw depth, and 32-inch opening width, these shears can handle the roughest materials, steel plates, and pipes with high efficiency. With exceptional durability and easy maintenance, the CAT S3070 is an indispensable tool in various scrap metal and steel recycling facilities. And in this video, we can clearly see the cutting power of the machine. The Outlaw pump trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Among its distinct pluses are increased productivity and efficiency, extended reach and maneuverability, and easy transport and installation. 10-inch piping increases flow and/or reduces energy consumption. Engine configurations of 577 to 684 or more horsepower are available, allowing you to choose the power you need for your job. Pump 3,700 gallons per minute at agitation with 150 psi inlet pressure. You are about to see how Maxwild specialists, together with their construction equipment, demolished a dilapidated bridge on the A7 highway over the River Iller in Germany. The bridge, 197 feet long and 62 feet wide, was stressed across and along with extra strong pre-stressed steel. The team utilized 9 excavators at once with various attachments including a shredder, demolition and scrap shears, a sorting grapple, and a hydraulic chisel. Also utilized were 2 Maxwild wheel loaders, a telehandler, a sweeper, and various trucks. The feed bed of the Moorbark Model 6400 XT horizontal grinder has sloped sides and is 24 inches longer than previous Moorbark grinders with more than 1,000 horsepower. This configuration improves operator visibility for more efficient material loading. The Woodhog model comes standard with a removable return floor in the feed chain to dump excess material and reduce wear and tear. Weighing less than 96,500 pounds and measuring 11 feet 5.5 inches wide, this equipment model features a standard Caterpillar 325L undercarriage and a 23.5-inch dual ground track tracks. Let's talk about the Biber 83Z. With the shredding knives or blades, you get precisely shredded or coarsely chopped material, depending on the blade setting and screen size. The 1.55 meter diameter blower with high-strength wear-resistant surfaces ensures soft discharge and produces coarse chips with low fines content. The 5.2 meter discharge height is ideal for direct loading of tall trailers. Guided by the Prenoth Clean Motion philosophy, they have revolutionized snow removal technology. Their electric Husky E-Motion and Lightwolf H2 Motion hydrogen-powered models, both with fuel cells and internal combustion engines, take environmentally friendly snow removal to a new level. The Lightwolf H2 Motion, for example, is a concept vehicle that combines performance and environmental friendliness. The hydrogen snowplow was developed with two different powertrains, a fuel cell and an internal combustion engine. The hydrogen is stored in tanks mounted on the rear of the machines, allowing up to 4 hours of operation. With its modern cabin design and all the best features of this flagship rat track, the path to eco-friendly winter sports is being paved. The powerful and stable RT-125 heavy-duty trencher from Popular Ditch Witch is a true all-terrain machine that clearly deserves your attention. Its solid undercarriage, superior quad-track system, and 3-speed transmission with shiftable gears allows you to tackle any job site challenge. A comfortable operator's workstation with ergonomic swivel seat and control panel with increased legroom allows for increased productivity. With the RT-125, there's no stopping you. The Cat Amphibious Excavator is one of the newer models in its class, which can be categorized as a range of trenching equipment. You are looking at a heavy construction machine that can be used for coastal trenching, loading and unloading, pile driving, and demolition work. The undercarriage of this amphibious excavator is specially designed to maneuver in harsh environments, such as swamps, inland lakes, and shallow waters where a normal standard excavator simply can't reach. In addition, this model comes with both a standard short-reach handle and a 46-foot-long heavy-duty handle, allowing it to be adapted to the job site. Let's talk about the new self-propelled telescopic elevator Zoom Lion model ZT68J. You've got to admit, it looks pretty good, right? Its maximum working height is 221 feet. This model and its technical capabilities surpasses even the performance of the previous record holder, Snorkel 2100. Special mention should be made of the new outrigger extension system. Its leading elements are hydraulic cylinders located inside the boom. When the system is started, 3 attachment points effectively extend and retract the outriggers. The polygonal boom has superseded the traditional rectangular version, which is also a technical innovation. The main boom of the elevator consists of 4 sections and transitions into a long 2-section articulated boom with an operating range of 125 degrees. The new Wood King Duo is now even more efficient. The most flexible delimbing saw for left or right-handed installation with basic accessories included. It is possible to attach the unit on both sides, which allows the operator to do his work any way possible. The technique copes perfectly with thin and thick limbs, and the maximum working height is achieved with the help of a telescopic loader. The manufacturer took care of the presence of a protective frame for the technique, which perfectly protects from damage during the operation of the machine. By the way, the boom extends to the side by 47 inches, which allows you to move on the side of the road and cut limbs in the area of the boom. And the side counterweight eliminates the one-sided load of the boom on the vehicle and reduces the danger of the equipment tipping over. Colmar T10000 Modification FSCG is a specialized road rail crane based on the popular T10000 rail loader and is capable of 360-degree road and rail crane operation. Colmar has produced over 2,000 rail loaders in 30 years and is the #1 manufacturer in Italy and the UK, where several contracting companies operate large fleets of rail vehicles. The load capacity of this crane on rails is just over 12 tons, with a maximum capacity of 14 tons achieved by extending the Caterpillar tracks for extra stability. The maximum horizontal outreach is 49 feet. The Brock 500 offers high production capacity as well as mobility and versatility. Like all Brock models, it offers unrivaled capacity for its size and weight. With a reach of nearly 23.1 feet and a 360-degree turning radius, the Brock 500 provides excellent access to the work area without the need for labor-intensive moving. Ideal for the toughest jobs, such as quick and accurate removal of heavily reinforced concrete vaults and foundations. With a reinforced design and additional refinement over the Brock 400, while maintaining approximately the same size and weight, it sets a new standard for power-to-size ratio in its segment. Experience the exceptional versatility and unique features of the Mix & Go concrete mixer attachment. This powerful attachment offers an unrivaled mixing and batching solution. Its ability to scoop, mix, and dispense materials seamlessly makes it an indispensable tool for various applications. The unit is characterized by durability and efficiency. Its unique steel mixing paddle design allows it to mix both dry and wet material more efficiently than conventional concrete bucket augers. Its simple yet effective chain drive system ensures smooth operation throughout the mixing process. Armed with a magnetic tool, this giant machine turns the process of clearing large areas of metal debris into a quick and easy task. Its efficiency is astounding, proving that advanced technology is capable of miracles in the most mundane processes. In such a situation, no amount of luck or even shifting the load will help. The man's only salvation could only come from the doors. The RMV consists of a Fanuc R2000 robotic arm, a Sealmaster Crack Pro 260 sealer, an air-blowing system to remove debris from the road, and an artificial intelligence system consisting of high-resolution cameras and lasers to find and measure cracks. The system is powered by a 480-volt, 3-phase state-line generator. All components are mounted on a Class 7 heavy truck chassis. The RMV requires an operator to drive the truck while a worker stays in the back to monitor sealant application and refill the cracked sealant tank. The company claims it can seal faster than a crew doing the job by hand. When the artificial vision system finds and measures cracks, the data is used to map the cracks and send the information to the robotic arm. The driver can watch a monitor that displays the image from the arm's camera. An LED light on the windshield turns red when the driver needs to stop to let the robot work, and turns green when it's time to move. Some processes and ideas can look so cool that you just don't want to take your eyes off of them. You must agree that video has a kind of relaxing effect. You will be impressed by the off-road capability of the scissor elevators of the Pulseo generation. The axle transmission and all-wheel drive give them excellent off-road capability and exceptional off-road performance. The HS15E and HS18E scissor elevators can handle gradients of up to 45% and have high ground clearance. Therefore, they can work on steep slopes and are suitable for all situations. These machines are capable of traveling on any terrain, even on very rough terrain, and they have a high grip on the ground. The oscillating axle adjusts the position of the front wheels to uneven terrain and ensures continuous contact between the wheels and the ground. Airless honeycomb tires are highly durable, have good ground grip, and absorb shock. The L580 wheel loader from Log Handler X-Power has been designed for use in the forestry industry. This new front loader has a large lift height and can handle various types of material. Thanks to the drive features, the X-Power L580 can achieve high travel speeds. The reliable and powerful machine can be used in a wide variety of tasks. Do you want to effectively control the loss of thousands of tons of topsoil on your plot of land? No problem, with the Farmer's Zerat laser machine. Of course, leveling the fields offers great advantages for areas with such a useful topsoil. And you want to ensure at least 50 to 60% more efficient use of irrigation water. So it is thanks to laser leveling. The technique in front of you allows you to supply irrigation water to each plant equally, which significantly increases the overall productivity of work. It was good that it broke off while still at the beginning, for a fall of greater height would have brought more damage. Scania's battery electric truck offers continuous operation completely free of toxic emissions, which could very soon become mandatory for certain areas and sectors. Our world is striving for a green future, and this is becoming a common requirement for new contracts. The electric powertrain provides considerable power and constant torque. With a range of 250 kilometers from a single charge, short and medium routes can be completed exclusively on electric power. Such a cool Scania electric vehicle will have a set of 5 or 9 batteries, powering an electric motor with 310 horsepower. The primary purpose of the Oshkosh M1070 tractor is to transport tanks, deploy and evacuate armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, armored bulldozers, and other heavy vehicles, and equipment of all types. It is powered by a 12.06-liter Detroit diesel 8V 92TA 500 horsepower diesel engine mated to an Allison CLT 754 5-speed automatic transmission and an Oshkosh 55,000 2-speed transfer case. The tractor has 2 tanks with a total capacity of 947 liters, 568 liters, and 379 liters, and has a maximum speed of 81 kilometers per hour. The heavy tractor cab accommodates the driver, 1 crew member, and up to 4 passengers. It meets the requirements of the U.S. Army's long-term armor strategy. Etnire's extendable Black Hawk trailers transform the concept of efficiency in transportation. Thanks to a unique hydraulic system, they extend up to 26 feet, doubling their length without requiring extra effort. Capable of supporting 35 to 65 tons, they are ideal for transporting heavy equipment. Their low-profile design ensures stability and safety, making these modern trailers indispensable for various applications. The Machiras Air Corps is revolutionizing the way we think about firefighting, working effectively on large surfaces and with liquid fires. The machine quickly reduces heat and improves visibility, ensuring safety and simplifying the firefighting process. Python Pothole Patchers is a completely new approach to pothole repair and road maintenance. It allows you to fix potholes while they are still small and extend the life of your roads. The Python 5000 Plus performs long-lasting repairs using standard asphalt mixes, both hot and cold, and also has the unique ability to perform continuous repair of long cracks and joints in the road. One person, the operator, can keep the roads in a small village or municipality in good condition all year round. Looking at such an accident, it appears that this driver's mistake was fatal, but in fact, such a huge tractor is not even hindered by the flames. It didn't even stop for a second and continued on its way. A truly mesmerizing sight. Raptor Rover is revolutionizing the deployment, changeover, and retrieval of the Roadquake 2F TPRS system. With Raptor, Roadquake is now ideal for use in most short-term, short-haul, and mobile operations. Workers operate the Raptor from the comfort of their vehicle and no longer deploy and retrieve the Roadquake 2F TPRS manually. The risk of surface injuries that can be caused by lifting objects such as the Roadquake is also reduced. The unit on wheels expands the practical use of the Roadquake 2F, TPRS, and work zones and can provide portable, reliable protection for workers. The Raptor is attached to the front of the vehicle. The rear of the vehicle is free for other protective equipment, such as a truck or trailer mounted attenuator, TMA. The Narva E24 Energy Head is used in thinning, field clearing, road right-of-way maintenance, and parks in urban areas. This technique is suitable for harvesting energy wood with a diameter of 9.4 inches and also has a storage unit. Connects to a manipulator instead of a grapple. It can be used with tractors weighing 5 to 8 tons, excavators, forestry trailers, and sorting trucks. Among the features of the unit, it is worth mentioning the control without electricity, excellent load properties, fast guillotine cutting, easy installation, and no additional hydraulics. This TMC Cancella mulcher with hydraulic push frame and turbo clutch kit is a powerful machine specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stumps left after tree felling. But when combined with a Volvo excavator, for example, the machine is capable of working at quite a high altitude and can be used to mulch the tallest trees. The mulcher's build quality is very high, as high-quality steel and additional connecting elements were used for its production. The safety, versatility, and durability of the Soil King Extreme is unmatched in the rock spreading industry, helping you get the job done safer and more efficiently than any other spreader on the market. Increase your productivity. The Extreme XTR 25 has a 30 cubic yard capacity while carrying lighter materials. Utilizing Can American's patented metering beam, a single operator can precisely handle and control the placement of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials through wireless communication. With several giants of technology taking up the challenge, one thing is promised: perfection in every curve and precision in every corner of your future. You can rest assured it will be perfect for future use. See how this young man is working on his lawn? He clearly enjoys it immensely. Not only is it good for the lawn, but it brings him great joy. A true example of how a favorite activity can be doubly beneficial. Meet the DGT Modified Wrecker Super Heavy Duty Wrecker, patented by Big Technique. The machine features a 2-cylinder 80-ton tilt head with no extendable boom and a 3.3-foot, 2-stage hydraulic extendable bottom elevator. The hydraulic system includes tubing, hoses, and a 10-function Ukr safety valve block. The installation includes a power tilt to minimize damage to bumpers. The tow truck also has one 20-ton Sepson hydraulic winch with 30-meter cable, pressure rolling, and pneumatic-free spool. The rig is fully sized and made up of modern Domex 900 steels, equipped with deluxe stainless steel tall boxes and a trestle. It is never a good idea to distract a driver while driving, for the consequences can be irreparable. Have you ever seen a spacecraft's giant external fuel tank being transported? The transport of NASA's latest such tank, ET-94, to the California Science Center turned into quite a spectacle. This unique and massive project attracted thousands of spectators who gathered to watch the process. Thanks to a high-tech transportation system, this huge, space-age artifact slowly but surely reached its destination, demonstrating the wonders of modern logistics and engineering. The entire route was carefully planned to ensure the safety and security of the unusual cargo, making this an unforgettable event for all witnesses. Want a wow effect? Then watch how heating metal to high temperatures and using specialized equipment creates perfectly shaped parts. Here is a new mini excavator APS KME08 with an engine power of 6 kilowatts. The operating weight of this technological monster is almost a ton. The main advantage of the technique is the presence of the third hydraulic outlet, ready and armed connection for hammer or drill, as well as an additional lever to control the third hydraulic system. The excavator with hydraulic oil cooler allows continuous work without interruption up to several hours. Thanks to its small size, this mini-machine is perfectly suited for working in confined spaces, and transportation is much easier. This giant of a tool, equipped with powerful teeth, can easily carry massive volumes of wood. No longer just a helper, but a real hero loader, ready to safely deliver your goods wherever you need them. The JF990 from Jecco combines the flexibility of an articulated crane with the reliability of a crawler. This crane stands out from the competition with an outstanding lifting capacity of 21.5 tons despite its compact size. Reaching a working height of 134.5 feet and an outreach of 124.7 feet, the telescopic jib makes it a powerful helper on any construction site. The versatility of the JF990 is wonderful. It can easily switch between electric motor and diesel engine for optimal performance, both indoors and outdoors. The JF990 is ideal for specific lifts in tight spaces and various demanding tasks. Have you ever seen how real giants move? No, not dinosaurs, but real sea giants. In the port of Houston, deep south, took on the heroic task. Imagine 3 huge ship parts, the heaviest of which weighs an incredible 1,800,000 pounds. Each was carefully loaded onto barges, using Shirley-Lace SPMT's 124 axle lines. These marine giants were delivered to the final stage of their journey. And guess what? It's truly the spectacle of the century, where engineering marvels combine with the power of nature. You can see a professional from afar. This driver not only managed to regain balance on such a gigantic machine, but also successfully drove it back to the ground. With remarkable precision and attention to detail, this machine performs its work daily, reminiscent of the activities of an experienced surgeon. Its capacity for precise and accurate manipulation makes it an indispensable tool in its field. The Senebogen 640E duty cycle crane has been specially designed for particularly demanding and dynamic work with a wide range of attachments. Thanks to its robust design, the strengths of the 40-ton machine really come into play when building special foundations. Whether it is used with a leader, rope grab, or hydraulic casing machine, the multi-circuit hydraulic system and powerful swing drive of the duty cycle crane mean that its capabilities are unlimited. This equipment can be used for logistical tasks and various construction jobs, all thanks to its mobile undercarriage with a 69-foot-long lattice boom. The Allman AZ55F swivel loader has proven itself in the tree nursery. Simultaneously driving, maneuvering, and turning are the key to its high productivity. Thanks to the combination of 4-wheel steering and a 180-degree swivel boom, the Allman swivel loader can rotate completely around its axis, taking up 20% less floor space than a conventional wheel loader. Fast and efficient loading, unloading, and reloading of trees and hedges with root clumps is what this new technology can do. Forget about the old way of transplanting trees. Now, special Caterpillar machinery is on the scene, turning this process into a real art form. Under its watchful eye, the tree is not just transplanted, it begins a new chapter of its life in a new place. Stop and admire this machine in action. Its movements resemble the work of a skilled seamstress who, hook by hook, brings a magnificent fabric to life. The precision and accuracy of the workmanship make the manufacturing process a true art. And here we have another miracle of transformation. An old model of car literally shakes off the years as if it's taking off the old skin to appear for us in the full glow of renewal. This process is not just a restoration, but a return to life in the full glow of newness. You see a special attachment from Iron Baltic with a ball hitch, hand winch, roller, log rack with hanging chains, and flotation tires for ATVs. The machines are designed to haul large logs behind an ATV or RTV. The log dump truck can be used with or without a dolly. The front of the log is lifted up, and then the log is pulled behind, leaving one end on the ground. To reduce environmental impact and for long-distance towing, the cart can be used to suspend the rear of the log to act as a trailer. Ideal for thinning plantations and removing cleared trees whole. JCB telescopic loaders of agri-low-dal model are characterized by high maneuverability, compact wheelbase, large angles of rotation limitation, which saves time on the farm, especially when working in limited conditions. The engine power of such a machine is 100 horsepower, and the engine displacement is 4.4 liters, with a torque of 320 Newton meters. The hydraulic pump capacity is 140 liters, the fuel tank capacity is 146 liters, and its maximum lifting capacity reaches 3.5 tons. With this loader on hand, you'll accomplish any task in no time at all. The Menzimuck M545X, often referred to as the Ferrari among spider excavators, is a high-performance, all-purpose machine designed for heavy-duty work in difficult terrain. With its sophisticated high-tech chassis and patented boom, this walking excavator adapts to any terrain, making it ideal for operations such as anchoring in ski regions, building forest roads and paths, laying foundations for power transmission towers and cable car supports. The BMM 410 is a fully automatic mobile clay brick making machine from SNPC Machines India. The new BMM 410 is a mobile, portable machine that gives the freedom to produce clay or mud bricks anytime, anywhere, and in any quantity. The raw material required for the BMM 410 mobile brick making machine is clay, mud, or a mixture of clay and fly ash. Popular Sleipner offers a complete solution for mobilizing crawler equipment. The Sleipner E-Series is designed to move excavators, and the Sleipner DB Series is designed to move rigs, dozers, and other tracked equipment. You can see what they look and work like on your screens as the company's 2022 product line is presented. It seems that the truck driver did not notice the approaching train and miraculously avoided a direct collision with it. However, the sudden appearance of the second train led to a serious triple accident. The Hamar side loader A Advanced chassis is a unique and incredibly versatile chassis from Hamar. Made from 3 telescopic chassis parts and sliding cranes, it can change the position of the cart and optimize the weight distribution of the load. This means it can be optimized for both 2- and 3-axle trucks, as well as for different size containers. The Twinka ES 500 Slim from Twinka has a payload capacity of 0.5 tons and is ideal for limited space. This mini dump truck is designed for gardens, gardening, as well as for demolition and outdoor work, etc. The high lift feature increases efficiency and is particularly characterized by the ability to unload stacked or over high edges, such as a container. At 32.11 feet, the ES 500 Slim has a very comfortable loading height. A fully charged battery keeps the machine running for a full day's work, and charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The machine's automatic steering mechanism reduces the need for physical labor to a minimum, even when the mini dump truck is heavily loaded. The steering mechanism can be moved and adjusted according to the operator's height. This helps ensure an optimal ergonomic working position for the operator and reduces physical strain. Wow! Who could have thought that excavators could be so multifunctional? The main thing is only that at the helm was a skillful driver who will be able to unmistakably check any operation. It's worth remembering the 1980s when the Diffco turf cutter first burst onto the scene, revolutionizing the world of peat extraction and changing the landscape of manual labor forever. This ingenious attachable turf cutter ushered in a new era, delivering high efficiency with a 9 to 11 tons per hour output. Imagine the leap forward from debilitating manual labor. With a choice of cutting blades adapted to different peatland depths, from shallow to premium black peat, the Diffco turf cutter provides the perfect fit for any customer's needs. Not to mention the hydraulic pressure relief valve and chain protection, which ensures that even unexpected obstacles won't be a problem. It's not just a machine, it's a revolution in peat production. Phew, I'm fine. It's just a little slide. This is not just a machine, but a virtuoso of speed art that turns the process into the magic of assembling a mosaic. Every action is a spectacle that is impossible to look away from. Meet the powerful, modern Multi-Rex. The Multi-Rex will be a great helper for you on any demolition or partial demolition project. This unit can chew concrete and other strongest materials without any problems. This technique saves you time and money, allowing you to focus on doing more projects and completing them faster with the fewest number of employees at each site. With the Multi-Rex, you can easily remove large slabs, break them into pieces to fit in the dump truck, and get on the next job sooner. Kuwaima AG has created a high-performance turner composter windrow turning machine that has many features and advantages that set it apart from the competition. The technique has a sturdy box construction that is designed to handle tough materials and has been tested in the harshest conditions. The turner composter is typically used for manure and larger compost materials. The technique has a higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for larger piles. The hydraulically driven turner wheel provides more speed and traction. The drum has a 3-inch diameter through shaft for greater rigidity and performance. This drum is designed to throw material back with less power. The turner composter can be towed on the road, and its drawbar easily swivels for transportation. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.